You're going to do the onions.
We start with onion. I have about a pound of onion here.
How many is this going to serve?
Oh, I would say that would serve 6 people. You have a pot ready for me?
I do. I'll put
So about a pound of onion.
oil in it here. That's enough to fill the pan, really.
That's great. So I have my onion ready for you.
Yep.
Here we are.
We want a little salt and pepper in there, some
yes,
herbs.
we put salt and pepper. You know what I put also? I put a little bit of thyme leaves.
That would be nice.
Here we are.
These onions are going to cook slowly first so that they're all cooked through tenderly, which will take about 8 to 10 minutes over a moderate flame. Then you brown them, but it's very important that they get thoroughly cooked.
You can see the crystallization of the juice in the bottom, the sugar of the onion, and it's browning here. And you really want it nice and dark, very rich color like this. So now we put the stock. That's it.
And the nice thing about it, you can cook the onions ahead. You can even freeze them if you want. You can be cooking the onions while you're doing something else.
And you know, in a lot of restaurants, they'll serve you an onion soup, and that will be this way. Just the onion soup, sometimes with a crouton on top. But then what we call the onion soup gratiné.
Yes.
So we do the gratin there. Put your onion soup bowl on this because it tends to spill over and all that, and you make a mess. How much crouton you put in there? Put about 3 in mine here.
Room for that many? The
Cut
bread
pretty
gives
thin.
it a thickening that's very nice.
Right. Okay. So this, bring back to a boil. I mean, the chicken stock is cooked. Do you want to taste it?
How long should this cook? You think half an hour together?
Well, not even. The onions have been cooked for so long. I think it needs salt, right? And a bit of pepper. And I'll let you put the wine in it because this is your touch. Sometimes actually I've seen done with a bit of white wine, but never with a bit of red wine.
Well, it gives it a nice color.
Get it darker, yes. Nice. And which cheese do you like to put on top?
Well, we have Emmental and Gruyere.
Close to a cup of grated cheese per person. I think this is the Emmentaler, right? Both are Swiss cheese anyway.
Yeah.
So you really want to pile it up on top. And those onion soup bowl have a kind of little border here, and it holds the cheese this way. So I'm going to put that in the oven around 400 degrees, and that will take a good 35, 40 minutes. Look at that.
That was 30 to 40 minutes, wasn't it?
Yes, at least, yes. As you can see, really hot. So we put it on the plate here. I mean, you have a thick crust here.
No.
Which is basically what you want.
And it smells so good of all that cheese.
It's so good. With a glass of red wine, a piece of cheese. Or maybe no cheese, but a fruit, and you have a meal.
That's real hot.
And good.
You have asbestos mouth. I'm going to have to wait a minute. It smells so good.
That's good.
That's a real dish.